Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Joanna and today we're going to be brightening up your world with some felt lupins. Now we're from Texas and here in the spring we have some of the most beautiful wildflowers that exist. One of these wildflowers is the bluebonnet, a lupin that grows in fields and on the sides of the roads, creating some of the most stunning scenery you will ever see. So let's get started. These are super cheap and simple to make. All you're going to need is some felt. Choose a green for the leaves, a white for the tips of the flowers, and then a dark and light blue, pink or purple, whatever your heart desires. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and glue, some scissors, and some green pipe cleaners for the stems. For this bluebonnet, we're going to use 3 different colors of felt, a dark blue, a light blue, and a white. Starting with the white, we're going to fold it in half with the short sides meeting. And we're going to cut out a cone shape with a flat top. In order to keep things super simple, we didn't use a template, but as you can see, we cut to about the halfway point in the felt. We do the same thing with the light blue, making it just a little larger than the white shape. Next, we cut the dark blue, but this time we're going to fold it with the long sides meeting, and we're going to cut to about the 2/3 mark. Now we're going to fold each of our pieces of felt in half and hot glue them at the edges. Be careful with that hot glue because it'll get you. Once they're glued, we're going to cut the folded edges into approximately 1/2-inch strips. Next, little by little, we're going to apply glue to a green pipe cleaner, and we're going to start twisting each piece of felt around it. We'll start with the white piece, then the lighter colored felt, and we'll end with the darker colored felt. Once our pieces of felt are glued, we'll cut out a couple of leaves with our green felt. I folded ours in half and cut out 2. Then I glued them onto the pipe cleaner below the dark pieces of felt. And that completes our bluebonnet. Make sure to make several so that you can assemble a beautiful bouquet. We made pink ones and purple ones to make it even more eye-catching. Thank you for crafting with us. If you're up for more, we'd love if you can subscribe and head back to our channel's page where you'll find plenty more handicraft videos.